Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and as we can see, the DXY is still trying its best to sustain above the crucial support of 105. It closed at 106.06, and if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that though there was not much activity during the closing hours, but yes, selling pressure is still very much present. You can see after this massive fall, DXY tried to recover, but huge sell came again. And right now, DXY is kind of flat, just trying to survive above the 105 level. As we have been discussing, that 105 is very important, because if DXY breaks 105 or slips below 105, then a fresh wave of sell may come. Okay, so as a result, DXY will try its best. Okay, let's wait and watch how DXY performs during the next week. Okay, it may try to recover also. If it tries to recover, then again 105, 108, this red box will be standing as the next big resistance. This is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD. But before talking about the 4-hour chart, I would like to show you the daily chart of GBPUSD. In my previous video that I uploaded on Friday, we talked about the approaching 200 moving average here, the 200 moving average being the dynamic resistance for the market. But I missed one thing, and that is that market is also following a channel here. You can see that we have an upward channel. Overall, if you look at the chart of GBPUSD, then yes, there is no doubt that market is in downtrend. But if we just focus on the present trend of GBPUSD, then we can clearly see that GBPUSD is trying to recover, and GBPUSD is trading in an upward channel right now. So in the coming days, there is a possibility that by Monday, Tuesday, the GBPUSD may come down also. It may come down and bounce. Okay, bounce from here, and next time it will be crossing 200 moving average. This time it may fail to cross the 200 moving average. After all, it's trading in a channel here. Okay, so the move may be like this. Okay, or the move may be like this. Let's wait and watch, okay, how the market opens. Now let's talk about the important levels for Monday. So on Friday I talked about the bullish flag pattern here, and I clearly mentioned everyone that though we have a bullish flag pattern, okay, still be very careful and not to take any trade. Okay, not to take any trade as long as market is trading inside the flag. Okay, and as you can see, the flag is getting longer, so no need to consider the flag here. So the flag is gone. So first of all, let the market open. Do not take any market position at the market opening, because see, if you are holding any buy or sell position, you can be on the trade. No need to exit from the current position. But if you are looking for fresh position in the market, then this is not the right place right after the market opening. There's an old saying, do not chase the market, let the price come to you, and this is what you need to follow here. After the market opening, if you see GBPUSD going up, listen to me carefully. After the market opening, if you see GBPUSD going up, then this may act as a resistance zone for the market now, because we have 200 moving average around this level, as well as we have seen that right now market is trading in an upward channel on the daily chart. So as a result, there is a possibility that this level may act as resistance here. If you see market reversing from the resistance zone, if you see market showing price rejection from above, you can consider taking a sell position. Okay, you can consider taking a sell position at the resistance zone here. In case it shows a breakout also, do not take any buy position immediately, because especially during the first half of Monday, we do not see much volume in the market, so it can lead to a false breakout as well. So as a result, if it breaks also this level, no need to do anything, just wait for some time, wait for the European session to open, and then you'll get plenty of time to decide. And especially when there is not much volume in the market, it's always better to take a buy position at a retracement or a pullback. It's a much safer entry into the market. On the other hand, if market comes down after the market opening, then the best entry will be around 1.1950 to 1.1920. I have already discussed in my previous video also why this level is an important support in this market, because first of all, the present trend of GBPUSD is towards the upside. It means that the number of buyers are high in comparison number of sellers. So as a result, taking a buy at support is the best strategy right now. Okay, if the market remains like this. So if market comes down after the market opening, observe the market around 1.1950, 1.1920, because we have seen market acting as resistance around this level, as well as we have got Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So Fibonacci plus previous resistance right now acting as support. So if we combine both the factors here, there is a high chance that this level will act as the support for GBPUSD if market comes down. And the ultimate support on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.1700, 1.172030. This is the ultimate support for GBPUSD, but I don't think so market will be testing this level right after the market opening on Monday. So you need to keep your eyes on 1.1950, 1.1920. This is the important support for GBPUSD for Monday. You can see that I have also mentioned 1.2030, 1.20325 as a support. To be honest, this support does not have much strength. It's a very weak support. Okay, very weak support. If the market remains very flat, low in volatility, then you can expect some bounce from here. Otherwise, this support does not have any any such additional reason to consider it as a strong support. See, not all the levels are of the equal strength. So this level is a very weak support. In case market remains like this, then there is a possibility that 1.2030, 1.2025 may show some bounce. Otherwise, in case of a big red candle, obviously this level won't be able to hold the market, and you'll have to keep your eyes on this level only, 1.1950, 1.1920. I would like to show one more thing here, that is we also have a trend line. To be honest, I do not follow trend lines much, but yes, we can draw a trend line here. So I think it's my duty to show you that yes, we have a dynamic support as well in the form of a trend line around the same level. So if market comes down to this particular level, the trend line, and bounces, you can consider taking a buy position. But keep in mind, market has already tested the trend line 4 times. And if we see market testing a level too many times, then obviously the level loses its strength. So please be careful. So this is it, my dear friends. Please keep in mind that no trader is 100% accurate. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, this is the Forex Hero Masterclass, my workshop. Only 5 days left. So if you really like my work, if you really want to take up trading as a source of income, then you can consider joining the workshop, because this is the world's most affordable workshop. Both Hindi and English, dono language mein hota hai. And I have shared my story also, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible, because my journey was also very, very tough. And I have mentioned everything, like how the workshop will transform your life, what are the benefits you'll receive, the long list of benefits. Okay, these are 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. Hopefully you will love it. Please check out the link in the description if you want to join. Bye bye, take care.